fantastic. Now that person you just watched is Kenya Deputy President, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua.
It is smoky Igbo.
His Sleep Excellency. During a high-powered delegation meeting with some foreigners, likely from India.
How many times would they tell you before you know that?
Rigathi was so tired, he slept. Not only did he sleep, he was snoring. Kenya say, come and explain what our deputy president is doing. Tell us the story. I'm here for you people. My people, I'm here to explain what happened. Story.
It is smoky Igbo.
Story. Haditi. Enjoy. So, what happened to Rigathi? The previous day, Rigathi closed from office and went home. When he went home, the cooks had prepared food. The wife said, oh, serve my husband food. So Rigathi was eating when he got a call from one of his side chicks. Her name is Bridget. He met Bridget when Bridget came to look for contracts at the Presidential Villa State House, Nairobi. So Bridget was looking for contracts. So when Deputy President Rigathi saw Bridget, oh, he saw Matako, he saw Matiti, he saw Etwo, he saw hips. He said, oh, I must hammer this one. I must do Okwegata. I must use Ngon. I must do Ngono. I must do Okwezina. I must do Okwegadanga with this one. I must hammer Auke. I must use my mboro to anoint her. That's how he walked up to her. He told her, listen, you can't just go and meet the president like that. I'm the one that will take you and will open doors for you. So Bridget, but you have to, na hand, they wash hand. You have to treat me well. If you treat me well, all this contract is small. I'm ready to give you, sell the whole of Kenyans to you. Bridget say, hey, don't worry, I'm the deputy president. Go and ask about me. Me like this, the president is eating from my palm. Ruto is eating from my palm like this. Go and ask, who is Ruto? Ruto is a small boy. That's how they exchange numbers. So when he was eating that day, Bridget called him that she's in a hotel in Nairobi. She's with two of her friends, that he should come. She wants to give him a good time. As he heard that one, he wanted to abandon food and run. Madam held him. His wife held him. The deputy first lady held him. Say, where are you going? He said, I want to return to the office. There's something I forgot to do. The wife said, if you must go, I've been honey. Come and service me before you go. So Rigathi now had to service his wife first before he left the house. The wife dragged him into the room. That's how they started. Boo. Rigathi finished with his wife. The wife said, okay, now you can go. He entered. He drove to the hotel, thinking he was going there to meet one uke. When he entered, he saw three plus him. That one is called foursome. My brother, that's how Bridget started. They first started with his microphone. Bah. After they did that one, something came out. He rested. Then they started again. He had to hammer 3 of those women. Now, he had forgotten that he had a meeting with these Indian delegates this morning. When he had already slept and was snoring in the hotel. They woke him up to say he should go home. His wife will look for him. He went home around 3 a.m. He told his wife that it's a matter of national security. That there are some African nations that want to attack Kenya. That he has been in a high-powered delegation meeting. That is how the wife said, the wife chopped his lie. So even that night, When he got home, the wife was still touching the Zumboro. Because he had already overused the Zumboro, he was so tired. The wife was disturbing him. So even then, he didn't sleep till this morning. It was when he now got to the meeting. They don't put documents for front. He did not even read the documents they brought. He has just been signing the lives of Kenyans away. Just sign. As he signed finish, he just slept off. The Indians there were surprised. They say, look at mediocrity in Africa. Look at the mediocrity. Look at mediocrity. That's how he was sleeping. Believe my story at your own peril. It's up to you to believe my story. Believe it at your own peril. My people, you can see how these things we call leaders behave. They ridicule us in front of foreigners. Look at the deputy president sleeping and snoring in a high-powered meeting. They bring document now. We look up. He begin to sign without reading. My own ancestor president carried 1,411 delegates to a climate change meeting. A climate change. 1,411. They flew over 5 jets, 5 planes. And you say you are going to save the world. You spent 800 and something million just to fly, just on flying. 800 and so, almost 1 billion naira just to fly people to climate change meeting without thinking that jet you are trying to save the world. Jets is not even a safe way. Without thinking that the jets you are carrying up and down is even contributing more to the CO2 emission. You see that African leaders, there's no separation. Though. I don't know what will save us in this continent, though, because I think God is even tired. God don't tire for our matter. God say, leave this Bibini people, leave them. They are not serious people. When they are ready, they will know what to do. God don't leave our matter, tete. We are on autopilot. God don't leave us to the fake prophets. Let the fake prophets finish us. Let the politicians and the fake prophets finish us as we don't have sense. Finish them, Africans. These are the things you call leaders. Me, I don't go. I don't know. Black people, I don't know which course they give us in this country. What kind of course is on this continent? I don't tire. What kind of course is on this? Is this on this skin or is this on this continent? Blessed beyond measure, but every day nonsense. Upuzi, kwasi asem every day. I don't tire for this continent. Hey, where are you going? I begin to think you're among my village people. Truth. You're among my village people. You don't want me to blow. You have not subscribed. You have not clicked notification bell so that every time I post 2 video, you will get it. In fact, today, I'm posting 2 videos. Yes, today like this. I'm posting 2 videos. So subscribe, click notification bell. Don't go anywhere. You see this one here? This one is to watch my other videos. This one is to watch the last video I posted. And this one is to subscribe. Oh yeah, quickly. Don't go anywhere.